Hi, GC News. Mema Bawumia Akwawa had the latest and hot news in one and the Bremo and Uti Sewunya subscribe ya body and say over subscribe. Now like no share video. Yobayana say over click the subscribe button. Now our belly notification. When sa video be upload no. Also when sa can be. I feel we are one like the video give us a thumbs up now feel share just say was so na e na amafo so enye bi na wo hwe na wone hu de ekoso e wo gara man ho ano afi ye hwe ensema abeto bo ye poso enti eye ensemu ya ababeto ba enti
media ye afedi ye ba ye frey ye Quantincro ye movement for change afafranto Alan afi anu oba bepe o man peniadi na Ghana for nso hu ne obetima ye e dia man na me dwell on the manifestos. Unfortunately mantimi anya NDC the soft copy and print it, but at least NPP there ma print it e wa hasi baby ehia me send ma obetima send ma baby ehia me e economy
that chinti
oh me kwa print it next time me ba baby here me economy now offer ye can say or more year just say leaves no tin bebre pictures ni ade bebre economy hwe ne ya twro me kan frame NPP dey no
okay
what say sustain and expand Ghana's rebounding economy 1 2 3 4 5 one enumerate 5 items ewo hono etisi ekoto aba now ye Ghana ni now ye wadwene se wo koto aba NPP a ti asem o mo ka kiro be hu sa wo date na se obi date so ne dem mi wi ana me de aba aland economy so what's it number 1 asem o mo kiro ho mo so mo de be bu man ni nyina ni o number 1 further accelerate the growth and expansion of economy over the next 4 years. We increased the size of the economy by 20 billion USD since 2016, from 56 billion USD to 76 billion by the end of December 2023. That is number 1. Number 2, achieve and sustain an average 6% growth by expanding agriculture, mining, including establishing Mineral Development Bank, 1D, 1F, emerging industries, digital hub services, sports, tourism, and creative arts. That is number 2. Number 3, increase public-private partnership, PPP, as an important funding model for delivering public infrastructure projects. That is number 3. 4. Establish the Independent Fiscal Responsibility Council to oversee fiscal policy. Number 4, no. Number 5, amend the Fiscal Responsibility Act to add a new fiscal rule that requires that the expenditure in any year does not exceed 105% of the previous year's tax revenue.
Economy dear.
Economy no.
Okay.
We and almost say Ghana for Sheso and Twaba Mawo. Captain, I have with them. Nipa 319 put together to write the manifesto. And this is all they have for the economy. Ghana for Mati. Mumia Gonkofa, I'm correct. Nyabotre.
This is the
oh, please.
We have the
Trotto.
This is 40 how many pages? 40 pages. We have the full one.
Please.
How many pages?
Please. Trotto.
That's an abridged version.
What the Trotto?
Summarizing.
Nyabotre. Trotto.
Summary.
Trotto.
Full one.
Yekita the great transformational plan. Let us see Alan the vision on the economy. This transformational plan, it has been put into 6 clusters, and every cluster can say pillars. And the pillar be also no your thematic area. Then under a thematic area we have the solution, the policy solution. It would be the micro economy or no and the you can say pillar. Under the pillar, no, you were 11 thematic areas. That is expenditure management and control, revenue optimization, economy, lower taxes and duties, stable currency, low inflation, low competitive interest rate and financing charges, debt sustainability management, increasing financing for SMEs, then reforms in cocoa sector financing, deepening capital market and financial intermediation, then improving labor productivities. 11. Ordinary thematic areas. Now, when you come to the thematic area, expenditure management and control, yes, some 13 policy solutions. 13 policy solutions.
A policy solution.
Yes. Out of the
solution, Kekeo. A policy solution.
Policy solution.
Okay.
Out of the 11 thematic areas, what for one thematic area, expenditure management and control solution? Yeah, deba. 13. What for the next one? Revenue optimization. You get 13 solutions. Low taxes and duties. You get 8 solutions. What for stable currency? You get 10 solutions. What for low inflation? You get 7 solutions. You can say low competitive interest rate and so you get 9 solutions. What about debt sustainability and you get 6 solutions. Maybe what way the man for the one with the difference between Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng and the Bakono. So on yet. Look, what is it? Make ye was say why ye or more better or more CD 105% of the previous GDP. 10 year Alan. Yeah, first a manifesto nam de kan you under so, number 1 was it enforce existing legal and regulatory regime on fiscal calling to ensure that budget deficit does not exceed 5% of the GDP. Obi can 105%. Huh? Obi can 105%. We are saying it should not exceed 5% of the GDP. Number 2, establish a lean but efficient government for please. Hey, moment pay mama Mr. Please. Hey, who call class 1? Mr. Call class 1, please. Nyabutre.
Okay, I take for Munti.
Number 2.
So call Opoku.
105 men. We call it for quite rich.
I don't know book num na me kai.
Hey, 105. It did not exceed. Also 5%. Also then the same thing.
Huh?
The same thing.
105 5% yes.
Trust.
You are watching Juicy
Number
News
2.
on YouTube.
Was say establish a lean but efficient government. And was say government expenditure on ministers, CEOs, a ball miner. Or reduce just to make sure say your team manage your expenditure heading the kaika. Share offer baby to say Minister of Energy. Your Petroleum Commission. Your Energy Commission. Your MPA. A whole lot, about 14. I didn't me imagine your best suggest for. I will share more a year or more year. Just say what you say. Almost the same. They tell the make it come so that as a car ye talk car munamasi you ye say in the car ye bet me reduce na the ye or minor ejapade. These are some of the things we are saying say ye bet me make sure say ye be ye ama or minor asi 13 wo dey me bo just 2 years so pe e wo e honum wo ba revenue optimization honum so that is so said the make kan ye no wama the same thing 13 na ewo mu no say ya no aboba ku bi so we say expand the tax net to draw in different segments of economic sectors including artisans, technicians and other self-employed informal sector operators and professionals operating in the formal sector. So we tell one we say o hwe your tax regime your tax regime ewo ho say no ya de a say emu ankasa beti obe make sure say you better to the ye hwese ebia wakwakoto ade VAT watua wa ha na akwakoye compound ayi calculation we drew ha no asetua eti ye beka say 17.5 so under normal circumstances no be wie na wo number 30 something any ade obeke obeye sabi obadi na aba bibia
SC mpacho yenye ne say we dem ntwa no chairman next week the best structure time in a year yeah ma obi entwitwa obi ano
yes sure
temi wona ya o yes wona ya o yes
dabi wo kraka
next week
we so iflu ha wo dabi
some dey ade be show to next week chairman wo dey until next week obi an kwhwe ne manifesto next week ye be ka economy no
good
until ko steady o party no mo economy na Hopeson so ko study the party the omobaye mo fa economy na the omobaye na no ba dongo so fa the party
let's say in 24 hours
no problem but remember what was me ban chairman assignment chairman memo assignment
and disco disco we got 24 hours disco and then move asasa yeah ready
okay
best 24 hours
chairman memo assignment our budget in 2024 budget in said the whole of 2023 asphalt we just 49 kilometers nyamnam troy
we the hopes in Krabesro
nyamnam troy
na nyamwa yi na dai
the way the Western
no
budget o
we 2024 budget
obi asre
a say in addition to
the whole Ghana
nyamna me kai tie periodic maintenance activities comprising asphalt overlay na say 1 no 2 rig graveling and sport improvement number 2 and resealing works 3 were carried out on 49 kilometers representing the asphalt overlay 327
over what period okay
2023
over the whole year 2023 budget nyamena me ye ene da kakraka pacho enti mu ko the pacho ko hwehwe Ken Ofori Atta the whole Ghana aspect that cost me be
also 1 year we are 49 also we are 49
Kennedy bayo
also 2023 nyina no we are 49 me gidi na ye Ken finance minister na dia ba na do signature na budget na se
I don't go work parliament gidi
me ni say
because it is
official record
because
eti
munya asphalt
chairman mesrel
bolga munya
uni asphalt
ne mo beto ye no munya hwe
chairman enti mesrel
enti the kwana e ko kokwale so
chairman
ene asphalt
honorable dongo mpacho
asphalt overlay is existing road not new construction
honorable mpacho enti chairman ko hwe Ken Ofori Atta next week we ba ye per explanation the enti am mo ye 31 kilometers 2022 na 2023 mo ba ye 49 kilometers I say you who sign me we ye record we ye documenter Ken Ofori Atta the core parliament na na do smart
me ka just I was west
anu nye nya say
I was west
there be our budget statement in
there Oko and my mentia na e
please mami fa we see
can we no penny
there
me start here
ya po ano no
me start 11 bebe we mu ko 30
o de kan we
lower taxes and duties. Now, you were a Miama Bears 80 Mr. Mammy Moboso. Was it achieve lowest tax rate in ECOWAS
number 2
within the period of 3 years? Number 2, eliminate existing compounded calculation of VAT by boycotting the National Health Insurance Authority fund that is there, get fund levies and
number 3,
the VAT rate.
The next week,
then abolish special import levy of 2%.
Okay.
Kwaku Annan, Captain Nyabutre. And then abolish COVID-19 health recovery. Okay. A very nuisance. Then we are very was it abolish all taxes and other charges on importation of spare parts within 2 years of establishment of government of national unity. It means he said, importers normally spare pass by. Within 2 years of
next week, economy will be a manifesto. And a project will be a manifesto. A drew so near the manifesto not to TV.
Captain,
they are some on screen.
As a sour mammy started.
Overstarted.
Make now go for ya don't
overstart. Next week, we'll have started. We'll have started. Now, honorable don't go. I am number 2. Number 2. I would say that's it.
You're waiting for when they add someone about my toy. So, I was a decision so and our channel. So, we are subscriber or more than say over subscriber. No, I like it. Nothing so was share video no amount for any be after. Also, betting actually what you have and so we now will comment boxing. Waiting in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.